Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Bybit application. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Bybit application to open it up. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to use your credentials to log into your account. After logging into your account, you will end up within this homepage, from which if you wish to change your email address, you can go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from this page, go ahead and tap on security, and within this page you will find your email address section. Tap on your current email, and now you have two different options. You can either unlink your registered email or change it. In order to change it, tap on the change option, and you will then be asked to provide your authentication first. After you authenticate your identity, you will be allowed to set up a new email address. Go ahead and type in your new email address and continue forward, and you might be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your new email address. After typing in the verification code and continuing forward, your email address will successfully be changed within the Bybit application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address within the Bybit app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.